you've been posting and you're not growing and you're starting to question yourself whether you're doing this right or not, I want you to do one thing. I want you to spend this week testing your formats. First of all, you're not undisciplined. You're not bad at this. You're not incapable of doing this. You're most likely lacking two things. One, a system. And I know you've heard that word before, but just think of it as a plan for the week, and then a way to get feedback. So go back and look at your last 10, 12 reels. See what kinds of formats are your go-to ones. And then for the next week, plan out the different formats you're going to try. Go into your analytics, look for your retention graph, and see which ones at the end of the week have the best watch time. Really important. And this is where a lot of people make a mistake. They go and they look at their views when really you want to look at watch time. Watch time and the graph. And trust me, I am not a huge math person that goes in every day and records my data, but I can go into my analytics and I can see exactly what part of my reel I need to be able to fix. If you want help with this, I actually have a $7 14-day long pre-done for you plan that you can just pick up and go with. If you're interested in that $7 plan, the link is below.